What is philanthropy? Is it simply an act of donating money, or is it something more? We believe the act of giving can vastly improve the quality of someone's life. It's about making a difference in the world we live in, taking a stand to help those who cannot help themselves, replacing suffering with relief and sorrow with joy. When you consider giving this year, will you know what difference you will make and whose lives you'll change? The Rocky Mountain Adventist Healthcare Foundation has been a part of the Front Range community for over 100 years and extends care for the needs of the entire community. The Adventist Hospital System in Colorado is a faith-based healthcare organization operating under the belief that not-for-profit hospitals better serve their communities by valuing each person's life and offering care to people regardless of race, religion, or ability to pay. The Adventist facilities are comprised of 4 hospitals along the Front Range: Vista Adventist Hospital in Louisville, Littleton Adventist Hospital, Parker Adventist Hospital, and Porter Adventist Hospital in Denver. We believe in treating the whole person, mind, body, and spirit. This guiding belief is ingrained in everything we do, from medical mission trips around the world to programs right here in Colorado. Every year, Rocky Mountain Adventist Healthcare Foundation sends medical teams to underdeveloped countries such as Nepal, Peru, and Rwanda. Although we bring much-needed medicine and equipment to these regions of the world, it is our skilled doctors and nurses that make the biggest impact in these communities. Our medical teams train the local doctors and nurses with up-to-date methods of caring for the sick and injured, transforming health care for those in need. Suicide is a growing problem in Colorado, which is why Rocky Mountain Adventist Healthcare Foundation is working with Littleton Adventist Hospital and the Yellow Ribbon Program to prevent suicides. The Yellow Ribbon Program raises awareness of the growing risk of suicide and teaches people how to help each other through seminars at schools, training workshops on suicide counseling, and distribution of Yellow Ribbon Lifeline cards. Rocky Mountain Adventist Healthcare Foundation is dedicated to the support and education of the public in life safety and accident prevention in order to reduce injuries and save lives. Parker Adventist Hospital partners with Parker Fire Safety Foundation in order to educate members of the community in basic emergency medical care, which enables citizens to become an integral part of the life-saving team. Vista Adventist Hospital partners with Clinica Campesina, a local community clinic that serves low-income and needy individuals throughout the Denver and Boulder area. Providing a number of services, including OB care, it is the goal of Vista Adventist Hospital and Clinica Campesina to ensure that every person, regardless of income, will have access to high-quality medical care. Medical services are provided at a minimal expense to fit a patient's ability to pay. Porter Adventist Hospital saw the need in the community for a program that would help children and teens deal with the emotional hardships that arise when a parent has been diagnosed with cancer. The Kids Alive program was created to help children ages 6 to 16 cope with this kind of trauma. By providing a secure and healthy environment in which they can express their feelings, children learn coping skills that can help them through one of the hardest times in their young lives. Porter Adventist Hospital is also committed to bringing compassionate care to those nearing the end of life's journey. Through the Porter Hospice Program, terminal patients can receive care in their homes or at a hospice residence, with the ultimate goal of reducing suffering and preserving quality of life. Services include pediatric care and counseling for families who have lost a loved one. Being a not-for-profit hospital frees us from many of the monetary concerns that drive other healthcare facilities and allows us to follow our mission to extend the healing ministry of Christ to the people in our community. Instead of answering to investors, we choose to answer to the people we serve and return millions of dollars each year back into our community. Adventist hospitals work diligently to achieve the highest level of professionalism. Our hospitals are outfitted with the latest tools for diagnosis and treatment of disease. In the same way that the first Seventh-day Adventist healthcare facilities transformed the way people thought about healthcare 100 years ago, it is our goal to continue offering the most compassionate and state-of-the-art care available today. Because of our not-for-profit system, we rely on gifts from people just like you who want to contribute to the wellness of the community. It is you who makes it possible for the Rocky Mountain Adventist Healthcare Foundation to provide quality healthcare and transform healthcare in Colorado. It's about making a difference in the world we live in and taking a stand to help those who cannot help themselves. When you consider giving, whose lives will you change this year?